Hello my friends! We will learn how to write letters, shapes, and numbers. Wow, this will be so fun! Let's get started! We will write uppercase A. A. We will write uppercase B. This is uppercase B. This is uppercase C. That is the letter C. It is uppercase. This is the letter D. We will start right here, go all the way down, and then we'll go back up to the top and make this curve. That's the letter D. Now we will do the uppercase letter E. To start, we will start right here and go down, making this straight line. Then we will go like this. And that is the uppercase letter E. This is the uppercase letter F. We'll start right here, going all the way down, then go back to the top, and then one more line underneath. That is the letter F. This is the uppercase letter G. We'll start right here and make this curve. Then we'll go to the center right here and go out. This is the uppercase letter G. Now we'll do the uppercase letter H. To start, we'll go like this, from the top to the bottom, make another line from the top to the bottom, and then connect it with this third line. That is the letter H. This is the uppercase letter I. We'll start right here, go down, then go right here up to the top, and go here to the bottom and make another line. That is the uppercase letter I. Now we will do the letter J. We'll start like this and make this curve. Then we'll go right here and make a straight line on top. That's the letter J. Now, let's do the uppercase letter K. To start, we'll go right here and go all the way to the bottom. Then we'll make a diagonal line and connect it to that straight line. And then start right here and connect it, go out. That is the uppercase letter K. We will now do uppercase letter L. We'll start right here and go down. Then we will go straight this way. That is the uppercase letter L. Now we'll do the uppercase letter M. We will start right here. Then we'll go back here and curve up like this. And finally we'll curve down. That is the uppercase letter M. Now we'll do the uppercase letter N. We'll start right here and go down. Then we will do this. We'll go like this and go back up. That is the uppercase letter N. Now we'll do the uppercase letter O. To do the uppercase letter O, we just make a small oval. That is the uppercase letter O. Now we'll do uppercase letter P. To start, we'll go right here and go to the bottom, and then make this curve like this. That is the uppercase letter P. Now it's time to do the uppercase letter Q. We'll start right here and make this circle and then make a line like this. That is the uppercase letter Q. Now it's time to make the uppercase letter R. To start, we'll go right here and go down. Then we'll go like this. That is the uppercase letter R. Now it's time to write the uppercase letter S. We'll start right here. That is uppercase letter S. Now we will write uppercase letter T. We'll start here, go down, and make another line. That is the uppercase letter T. Now we will write the uppercase U. We'll start right here and go make this curve right here and come back up. That is the uppercase letter U. Now we will write uppercase V. We'll start right here and go to the bottom like this and then go up. That is the uppercase letter V. This is the uppercase letter W. Let's write it. We'll start like this, go down, go up, go back down, and then go up like this. That is the uppercase letter W. Now let's write uppercase letter X. We'll start right here and go here, then go from here to here. That is uppercase letter X. Now it's time to write uppercase letter Y. We'll start like this and then go from here to the bottom. That is uppercase letter Y. Now it's time to write uppercase letter Z. We'll start right here and go diagonally down and then go like this. And that is the uppercase letter Z. Wow, you have learned uppercase letter A to Z. Now we will learn lowercase letters. Let's write lowercase a. To start, we will start right here and make this curve. Then we will make a line going down, and that is the letter A. Now, let's write the letter B. This is lowercase b. We'll start right here, making a straight line down, and then finish it off with this curve. That is the letter B. Now we'll write lowercase c. We'll start right here and make a curve. Simple. That is lowercase letter c. Now we'll write lowercase d. To start, we'll go right here and go down, and then we will curve like this. That is the lowercase letter d. Now it's time to write lowercase letter e. We'll start right here, go out, and curve like this. That is lowercase letter e. Now it's time to write lowercase letter f. We'll start right here and curve down like this, and then finish it off with this line. That is the lowercase letter f. Now it's time to write lowercase letter g. Start, we'll make this curve, then go from here to the bottom and curve up. That is lowercase letter g. Now we'll write lowercase letter h. We'll start right here, go down, and then make this curve like this. That is lowercase letter h. Now it's time to write lowercase I. We will start from here, go down straight, and then we'll make a dot right here. That is lowercase I. Now it's time to write lowercase j. We'll start right here and curve down. Now that we've curved down, we make the dot like this. That is lowercase j. Now it's time to write lowercase k. We'll start right here, go down, then go from here and connect to this straight line, then go back right here to the center and go out. That is lowercase k. Now we'll write lowercase l. We'll start right here and go straight down. That's lowercase l. Now we'll write lowercase m. We'll go from here down. Then we'll make our first curve like this. And now we'll make our second curve. That is the letter M. Now we'll write lowercase n. To start, we'll start from the top, going straight down. Then make this curve. That is the lowercase letter n. Now we'll write lowercase letter o. We'll start right here and make a very small circle. That is lowercase o. Now we'll make lowercase p. To start, we'll start from the top and go to the bottom. And then we'll make a curve like this. That is lowercase letter p. Now it's time to write lowercase letter q. We'll first make this a small curve like this. Then once we make this curve, we'll go from the top and curve upwards. That is lowercase letter q. Now it's time to write lowercase letter r. We'll go down like this. We'll make a straight line down. Then we'll curve like this. That is lowercase r. Now it's time to write lowercase s. All we need to do is go in a straight line. We'll start from here, curve like this, and make another curve here. That is lowercase s. Now it's time to write lowercase t. We'll start right here and make this curve here. Then we'll go like this. That is lowercase letter t. Now we'll write lowercase letter u. We'll start like this and make this line here. Then go to the top and make a straight line down. That's the lowercase letter u. Now it's time to write lowercase letter v. We'll start here, go down, and go back up. That's lowercase letter v. Now we will write lowercase letter w. We will go down like this, go back up, go down, and then come back up. That is lowercase letter w. Now we will write lowercase x. We'll start right here, making a diagonal line right down. Then we'll make another diagonal line that crosses it. That is the lowercase letter x. Now we will write lowercase letter y. We'll start here and go connect to this, go connect here. Then we'll make a a line from here to here. That is lowercase letter Y. Now it's time to make lowercase letter Z. We'll start from the top and go like this, and then finish it off with a line on the bottom. That is lowercase letter Z. Wow, you have learned uppercase and lowercase letters. Now we will learn shapes and numbers. Let's get started. We will start with the circle. To make a circle, we'll go right here. This is the starting point. And now we'll go straight like this and make a curved point like this. This is a circle. Now it's time to draw the star. We'll start right here. Then we'll go from the top to here. Then we'll go all the way down like this. Then we'll go up and go back down. Then we'll go up and finish it off. That is the star. Now we will make a heart. This heart will go from here, and then it will curve down like this. Then we'll go back up to the top and curve down. That is a heart. Now we will make a triangle. We will start here and go down. Then we'll go from here and go down, and we'll finish it off. That is a triangle. Now we will draw an oval. We will start right here and make this long curve, and that is an oval. Now we will draw a square. To start, we'll go from the top to the bottom. Then we'll go like this and go down. Then to finish it off, we can go right here. That is a square. Now let's make a rectangle. We'll go right here and go down. Then we'll go from here and go here and then go down. Now we've made this line, and now it's time to finish it off. And that is a rectangle. Now we'll make a diamond. The diamond will go right here and go down like this. Then we'll do the other side the same way we did this side, but the opposite. And now it's a diamond. Now we'll draw a trapezoid. We'll start right here and make a straight line. Then we'll go down diagonally like this. Then make another straight line going down. And make a straight line to finish it off. That is a trapezoid. Now it's time to draw a semicircle. To make the semicircle, we'll go from here and make a curve like this. And then we'll make a straight line. And that is a semicircle. Now we'll make a pentagon. The pentagon will go like this. We start from here, and go to this point, and then go down here. And then we'll go back up to the top, go to this point, and then go down, and make this last line, and that is a pentagon. Now we'll make a hexagon. This hexagon will start right here, and we'll make a straight line, and we'll go like this and go down. Then we'll go back to this point, go to this point, and then go down, and then finish it off with this line, and that is a hexagon. Wow, you have learned shapes. Now we will learn numbers. 1. We'll start from the top and make a straight line down. 1, 2, we'll curve up like this, and then we'll make this curve, then we'll continue curving, and then we will stop here, and then we will make a straight line out. That is the number 2. Now we'll make the number 3. We'll start here and curve like this. That is the number 3. Now we'll write number 4. We'll start from the top and then go to the bottom right here, and then make this straight line. Once we make that top and go all the way to the bottom, that is the number 4. This is the number 5. Let's write it. We'll start from here, go to this point, and make a straight line, then go down, and make a curve like this. That is the number 5. Now we will write the number 6. We'll start here and curve out like this, and curve in. That is the number 6. Now we will write the number 7. We'll go from here and go down. That is the number 7. Now it's time to write the number 8. We'll start here and then go over here and then curve up like that. That is the number 8. Now it's time to write the number 9. We'll go like this, making a circle, and curve up like this. That is the number 9. Now it's time to write the number 0. We'll start here and curve and make that oval. That is the number 0. Wow, we did it! We have learned numbers, shapes, and letters. We will make sure you remember these uppercase and lowercase letters. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter A. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter A. Do you remember what letter is this? It's uppercase letter B. And do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter B. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter C. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter C. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter D. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter D. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter E. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter E. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter F. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter f. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter G. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter g. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter H. Do you remember what letter is this? It's lowercase letter h. Do you remember what letter is this? It's uppercase letter I. Do you remember what letter is this? It's lowercase letter I. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter J. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter J. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter K. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter K. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter L. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter L. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter M. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter m. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter N. Do you remember what letter is this? It's lowercase letter n. Do you remember what letter is this? It's uppercase letter O. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter o. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the uppercase letter P. And do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter p. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter Q. Do you remember what letter is this? It is the lowercase q. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase R. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter r. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter S. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter s. Do you remember what letter is this? It's uppercase letter T. Do you remember what letter is this? This is lowercase letter t. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter U. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter u. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase letter V. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter v. Do you remember what letter is this? It's uppercase letter W. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase letter w. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase X. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase x. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase Y. Do you remember what letter is this? It is lowercase y. Do you remember what letter is this? It is uppercase Z. And do you remember what letter is this? It is the lowercase z. Wow, we did it! We have learned all of these letters. We will make sure you've remembered all of these shapes and numbers. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a circle. Do you remember what shape is this? It is a star. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a heart. Do you remember what shape is this? It is a triangle. Do you remember what shape is this? It's an oval. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a square. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a rectangle. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a diamond. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a trapezoid. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a semicircle. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a pentagon. And do you remember what shape is this? It is a hexagon. Now let's see if you remember these numbers. Do you remember what number is this? It's a number 1. Do you remember what number is this? It is the number 2. Do you remember what number is this? It's the number 3. Do you remember what number is this? It's the number 4. Do you remember what number is this? It's the number 5. Do you remember what number is this? It's the number 6. Do you remember what number is this? It's the number 7. Do you remember what number is this? It's the number 8. Do you remember what number is this? It's the number 9. And do you remember what number is this? It's the number 0. Wow! We have learned all of these shapes, letters, and numbers.